In this video, we list top 5 camcorders. We talk about details and feature of these camcorders. Let's see this video. Number 1. HCWX F991K. Ultra sharp 4K Ultra HD recording, plus in-camera editing for 1080p displays. Electronic viewfinder EVF emulates a semi-professional recording experience. Dedicated HDR button enables quick mode changes. Leica D-Coma lens optical 20x zoom, 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization. Image sensor 1/2.3-inch BSI MOS sensor. Total pixels 18.91 megapixels. Built-in twin camera, plus Wi-Fi mobile features add multi-camera scene picture-in-picture recording. 4K cinema in-camera editing and effects. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Canon Vixia HFG40. 20x high definition optical zoom lens. Advanced HD CMOS Pro image sensor with improved low light performance. 1080/60p recording in MP4. Built-in Wi-Fi technology with FTP transfer capability. 3.5-inch OLED view screen with 10,000:1 contrast ratio and EVF. Dual SD card slots, using readily available, consumable media. Intelligent optical image stabilization system with powered and dynamic modes and auto on/off. High capacity battery included. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. JVCG YHM 1700U. 1 JVCG YHM 170U Ultra 4K HD 4K CAM Professional Camcorder and Top Handle Audio Unit plus 2 JVC QAN 0067-003 Microphone plus 3 Transcend 64 GB SDXC/IU3 Card plus 4 USB 3.0 SD/micro SD card reader plus 5 spare BNVF 823 battery plus 6 heavy-duty hard case W/wheels plus 7 PD150 LED video light set plus 8 62mm, UV/CPL/ND8, filters plus 9 Vivitar HDMI to HDMI cable plus 10 PD5 PC complete cleaning kit plus 11 PD8 SD card memory card case plus 12 LCD screen protectors. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Canon XA10. 64 GB internal flash drive and 2 SDXC compatible memory card slots. Genuine Canon 10x HD video lens with 8-blade iris and manual focus ring. Canon native 1920x 1080 CMOS image sensor. Canon Digic DV3 image processor. Dynamic Super Range OIS with powered IS, video recording system MPEG-4 AVC/H.264. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. Sony FDR-AX700. 1.0 type, stacked XMR Rs back illuminated CMOS sensor. Incredibly fast, hybrid AF with 273 points and wide coverage. 4K resolution, 3840x2160, in addition to full HD filter diameter, 62mm. Instant HDR workflow with hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Zeiss Variosunner T*12x optical zoom lens W/29mm wide angle. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.